Auto snap. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is a game-changer in the hypercar world, combining cutting-edge technology with a thrilling, high-performance experience. Aston Martin has pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering with the new Valkyrie, offering a driving experience that feels as close to a Formula One car as possible while still being road legal. Its design reflects a singular focus on speed and aerodynamic efficiency, with every curve and vent designed to maximize airflow and minimize drag. This isn't just a car, it's a testament to Aston Martin's commitment to redefining the limits of performance. At the heart of the Valkyrie is a hybrid powertrain that pairs a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12 engine, developed by Cosworth, with an electric motor. This combination produces a staggering 1,160 horsepower, with the V12 alone delivering over 1,000 horsepower. The engine's sound is raw and exhilarating, offering a high-pitched, aggressive note that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. The electric component adds both power and torque, ensuring that the Valkyrie delivers instant acceleration at any speed. This car is designed to dominate the track, but Aston Martin has also engineered it to be compliant with the road, making it a rare, true dual-purpose hypercar. The exterior design of the 2025 Valkyrie is stunningly futuristic, with a focus on extreme aerodynamics. Every surface, from the sculpted hood to the rear diffuser, serves a purpose in enhancing performance. The car's ultra-lightweight construction relies on advanced materials, including extensive use of carbon fiber, to keep the weight down while maintaining structural integrity. The bodywork is minimal, exposing mechanical components and creating a sense of rawness and power. This design not only enhances its aesthetics but also ensures optimal downforce, which is essential when pushing the car to its limits on the track. Inside, the Valkyrie is stripped down to the essentials, offering a driver-focused cockpit that mirrors the feel of a race car. The seats are directly integrated into the car's chassis, allowing the driver and passenger to sit in a reclined, almost lying down position. This layout isn't just about comfort, it's designed to lower the car's center of gravity, improving handling and stability at high speeds. The steering wheel houses essential controls, putting everything the driver needs at their fingertips. The digital display is positioned at the driver's eye level, providing real-time data without any unnecessary distractions, reinforcing the car's purpose as a high-performance machine. Driving the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is an experience like no other. The hybrid powertrain's responsiveness, combined with the car's advanced aerodynamics, makes for a thrilling and precise drive. Thanks to its active suspension system, the Valkyrie adapts to different driving conditions, offering stability and control whether it's on the open road or navigating tight corners on a racetrack. Aston Martin has worked closely with Red Bull Advanced Technologies to develop a suspension system that keeps the car planted, even under intense lateral forces, making the Valkyrie incredibly agile and responsive. The Valkyrie's braking system is equally advanced, using lightweight carbon ceramic brakes that provide incredible stopping power. These brakes, combined with the car's active aerodynamics, ensure that it can decelerate just as quickly as it accelerates. This level of engineering precision is essential in a car with such high performance, giving drivers the confidence to push the Valkyrie to its limits without compromising safety. In terms of exclusivity, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is one of the rarest hypercars on the market. Production is limited, with only a few hundred units planned, making it a collector's dream. Each Valkyrie is highly customizable, allowing owners to personalize elements of the car's design and interior to reflect their own taste. This level of personalization, combined with its rarity, ensures that the Valkyrie will remain a sought-after piece in the world of high-performance cars for years to come. The Valkyrie isn't just about numbers or track performance, it's a showcase of what's possible when technology, art, and engineering come together. It embodies Aston Martin's legacy of luxury and performance, while pushing into new territory with innovative design and hybrid power. For those lucky enough to own one, the Valkyrie offers an unparalleled driving experience that blends the intensity of a race car with the thrill of a road car. It stands as a testament to Aston Martin's dedication to craftsmanship and their bold vision for the future of hypercars. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie isn't just a car, it's an experience, a symbol of power, and a look into the future of automotive excellence.